Okay, while you watch me use this PHALANX mini series, this is a really cool rotary tool, which should be perfect for this process of removing some plastic, moving around the ESC, and cutting up some of the sides, smoothing it out, and making it so a larger battery can fit here in the chassis of this RC truck. It should be perfect for that because this kit comes with 70 different accessories. There's no way I'm going to use all these accessories to show you for this project, but we're going to use a lot of the normal ones. We're going to use the cutting wheel, we're going to use some sandpaper, we're going to use some of those deburring tips just to smooth things out. We're going to really get to use a whole lot of it. And the most important thing is, I think the size, it's so small and compact, and the fact that it's battery powered is going to give us a lot more flexibility in terms of getting into places and cutting things that might have been more difficult with a conventional larger wired model. And so, okay, now we're watching how this whole process goes. Okay, we're winding this up. Let's go back. I'm going to give you my opinion on how this PHALANX tool works. I just love the name of the PHALANX tool. All right, let's go talk about it. Okay, so how beautiful is that? Look how nicely that fits in there. You saw the whole renovation project. We used the PHALANX to much effect. We used as many of these different things as we could to demonstrate them, but honestly, we used the sandpaper one, the fine grinder one, the saw one, the cutoff wheels, and a deburr. All of those on this one simple little project, but that's how great a tool like this is. You can get this and use it for all different kinds of things. Here I demonstrated how to modify an RC car, but any kind of hobby or anything like that, this is going to be absolutely phenomenal for. I'd give it a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.